Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use MagicSchool's AI Resistant Assignments tool. So this is a tool that you can use if you want to take an assignment or an assessment that you already have that might be easy for students to use AI on inappropriately, and let MagicSchool give you some ideas for altering that assignment so it's a little more difficult for students to use AI inappropriately. So that is called the AI Resistant Assignments tool. So I'll click on that. And I am going to select the grade level. I am working with 10th grade right now, and it's already 10th grade, but you can change that grade level here. You can paste your assignment or you can attach it. I am just going to paste it here. So my students are going to be doing a literary analysis of Fahrenheit 451, and I have just given the prompt that students would get as well. And now I'll click Generate. So as this is generating, you can see that it gives multiple ideas to alter this assignment so that it's a little bit more challenging for students to use AI in a way that would be academic dishonesty. So a couple of things that I'll share with you here is that it gives you here the idea for the assignment, and then it provides an explanation for why this is a little bit more AI resistant. Just in first glance of this, I can see the first one, they are creating a multimedia presentation. So it's a little bit more of an authentic experience. It's a little bit harder to use AI on creating a presentation. It is possible, but a little bit more challenging. The next one I see here says write a reflective journal from the perspective of a character in Fahrenheit 451. I think this is a really interesting idea. It could definitely be expanded to give a more literary analysis feel. And my first reaction to this one is that I might use this for a journal to brainstorm before jumping into a lesson or to reflect after a lesson. Might not necessarily use this idea as the big summative assessment for my unit, but it's definitely an idea to get started with some thinking about characters and character analysis and that kind of thing. I also like this idea number 3, developing a debate between two characters. It's going to force students to think about character development, how characters would respond to each other, what their passions are within the context of the novel, things that they would agree with or disagree with, and really thinking about big ideas of a novel. It kind of forces them to take on the character of a character within the novel. So I think that is interesting as well. But some of these are just some ideas. You can export this, you can copy it, you can even ask MagicSchool to give you some additional ideas through some of these questions that they have down here, or ask a question of your own. So I could say, ooh, I'm interested in the debate idea. What are some effective ways to facilitate the debate in class? And when I click that question, it's going to go ahead and generate some things that I should probably consider before having a debate in my classroom, like clear guidelines, maybe having roles for different students, that type of thing. So this is one way you can start to get some ideas about how you might make it a little bit more challenging for students to use AI when you don't want them to use AI. Thank you so much for watching.